Something far greater. So Naomi returned from Moab accompanied by Ruth the Moabite, her daughter-in-law, arriving in Bethlehem as the barley harvest was beginning. Ruth 1:22. Life had been good for Naomi in the land of Moab, but then her husband died. 10 years later, both her sons died, both she and her widowed daughter-in-law. Ruth were left heartbroken and very poor. Naomi decided to move back to her hometown of Bethlehem, and Ruth went with her. You can imagine how devastated they were, but God was doing things they couldn't see right then. He was getting them back to Bethlehem so that Ruth would meet a man named Boaz who was very influential and wealthy. This was a part of God's divine plan. Ruth ended up marrying Boaz. They had a son named Obed, who had a son named Jesse, who had a son named David, through whose lineage Jesus was born. The disappointment was all a setup for something far greater. When we isolate a loss or a door that closed by itself, it's not fair. But when we understand that God works generationally, we step into generational blessings. We see things that were orchestrated long before that catapult us into our destiny.